All right, so what we have here is the new Marvin Modern multi-slide door. This is a pocketing door. It's 2 panels, but look at how big this thing is. It's beautiful. Each one of these panels is about 6 feet wide by 9 feet tall. And the first thing I think when I see a door like this is how easy is it to open? And I'm really happy to say that they've done a great job on this unit. The lock is over here. It's a really slim piece of hardware. That's a big thing with Modern, is get away from the obtrusive hardware, get away from big bulky handles that clog up the sight lines. So it's a real simple unlock mechanism here. And this door is just a dream to operate. Very easy. Slides all on its own. When I say it's a pocketing unit, pocketing multi-slide door, what that means is both of these panels can be fully open. And when they're doing that, they nest actually back into the wall. So the structure has to be framed out that way. But if you're doing a new home build, you have opportunities to build that kind of stuff in. When I see an opening this large, one of the things I think of, at least here in Wisconsin, is what are you going to do about bugs? What are you going to do about critters, birds? A lot of stuff can come in. We've got some great wildlife that you want to keep out. So what Marvin has done is they've provided a full length, full width screen that covers this entire opening. So if you're going out to a patio, a deck, that's your view of the lake right there, and you've got nothing getting in. All the fresh air, but none of the nasty stuff. Very easy to operate. And this is the only place in Madison you can see this door. We're the exclusive dealer for Madison, for Marvin Modern. You can also come down to Milwaukee. We're gonna have some units down there soon at our showroom in Delafield. But if you wanna come in right now to Madison and see this door or some of the window units that we have in, we'd love to see you. Thanks for watching.